Welcome to Istanbul, a city where history and commerce intertwine beautifully. Today we're exploring one of its most vibrant and dynamic districts, Eminönü, and within it, a hidden gem of endless trade and culture, Tahtakale and Hasırcılar Street. If you want to experience the true heartbeat of Istanbul's trade scene, this is the place. Tahtakale is famous for its wholesale markets, tea and coffee shops, and a never-ending energy that keeps the city moving. Let's dive in.
In the middle of the street, roller coaster, take me to a better.
The beauty of Tahtakale is that you can find almost anything here. Spices, nuts, dried fruits, kitchenware, and even electronic gadgets. But what makes it truly special is the experience. Every shop has a story, every vendor has a smile, and every purchase feels like a small adventure.
Roller coaster of life. Oh, you seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over. It's about time.
Now let's talk about coffee. Turkish coffee is an essential part of our culture, and some of the best and freshest coffee beans can be found right here in Tahtakale. Just take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. The aroma is absolutely mesmerizing.
Your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole.
Hasırcılar Street is one of the oldest commercial streets in Istanbul. It's famous for its woven baskets, kitchen supplies, and unique handcrafted items. If you're looking for authentic souvenirs, this is a place to be.
Oh, roller coaster.
Walking around Tahtakale and Hasırcılar makes you hungry. And nothing beats a warm, crunchy simit or freshly roasted chestnuts straight from the cart. Simple, delicious, and full of tradition. As you can see, the streets here are much narrower and the atmosphere is a lot more authentic. This is where locals come to shop for everything from fresh produce to traditional Turkish handicrafts. These small shops have been in business for generations, and they're full of unique treasures. You can find anything from antique silver to hand-painted ceramics. There you have it, folks. Tahtakale is a truly hidden gem. It's a place where you can experience the real Istanbul, away from the crowds and the tourist traps. I highly recommend that you come and explore this fascinating neighborhood for yourself. Eminönü Tahtakale and Hasırcılar Street, places where history, culture, and commerce come together in the most fascinating way. If you ever find yourself in Istanbul, don't just visit the landmarks. Walk through the streets, talk to the people, and taste the flavors. That's the real magic of the city. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures. See you in the next one.